Welcome, everybody. We're back. The show, it continues. Kirk, welcome. We're here. We are still on the old contract. At least I am. So, still on the old one. Mr. Smith, good to see you. Well, you know, take your time. The market is going to be here. That's a good thing. Mark, hello again. And Green is here. What's up? What's up? And Philkos. What's up? Muhammad, good to see you. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how the open is going to go. Obviously, no news. So I'll be a little bit curious of how this is going to go. Hey, thank you, Philkos. You too, man. The sabotage, you know. Yeah, still have less than 4 minutes to go. Kind of curious how this open is gonna happen. What happened? Long for your first XFA. Oh. You know, Muhammad, as I said, it's part of the journey. And of course, you can take some time off from the charts, but you know, if I were you, I would still continue to trade on a new combine or on a cheap evaluation account with small size, because you need to regain some confidence, and that's one of the best ways to do it as well. Obviously, you can step away. I mean, yeah. Martin Muchka, welcome. Theo, hey, good afternoon. Good to see you. Yeah, so, you know, just take it slow on a new combine or eval, wherever, and, you know, slowly make it back. That would be the first goal right now. Try to slowly make it back. Again, first goal is the confidence. Trade small. Exactly. Exactly. And by the way, ES seemingly wants to go a little bit higher. There's a 5-minute order block, beautiful up there, by the way. Kind of looks like it might want to go up there. If ES stays bullish, then NQ is going to follow. So that would be interesting. Otherwise, we're still in a range. So we're just waiting. Exactly, Philkos. That's also a good plan. That's also an absolutely, you know, playable plan. Okay. A little bit more than 1 minute to go. This will be fun. This will be absolutely fun. Oh, this is gold. Sorry. This is gold. I'm not expecting anything special on NQ right now. There's a fair value gap that was kind of holding price back earlier, but nothing else. I don't know if it's gonna go bearish or not. We're all-time high, so but there's a nice order block on the 5-minute on gold, so we'll see if it's shifting. Kind of looking the same scenario on NQ as well. So I'll be watching, I'll be waiting. 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds. Again, I'm not expecting anything super special, but here we go. The market is open for business. Immediately going up there. Maybe ES wants to go, who knows. Pushing it a little bit higher. Wasn't really that much, like 15 points, but still. ES holding the position. NQ now spiking higher. All right. Okay. So still waiting for a shift. All right. All right. All right. Okay, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Okay, no special. I still have the last small position. Oh, really? On gold? Nice. Well, you know, we're in the middle of nowhere on gold, so it's up to you. But yeah, that's nice. NQ is basically at the same spot, so not much is going on. Yo, Akram. What's up? Anyway, 1 minute, it seems like it might want to shift. That would be great, but that's just not enough yet. Distance is like 100 points. ES is going down. Interesting. Interesting. All right. Let's wait for it. Oh, already secured nice profit. Well, that's okay then. It's house money. So it's free money. You can obviously let that run. Okay, no positions, nothing on my end. NQ still holding at the 800s. ES went down a little bit, but that's all. Still around this midnight area. And of course we have a 4-hour fair value gap lower as well. So, you know, that's kind of interesting. When you know, yeah. Okay, NQ is now started to go higher. ES also kind of went into a recovery mode here. Okay. How far is it from Friday's high? It's actually not far. Let me go to the 5 minute, still no positions on. This is all-time high, right? No, it's not. Okay then, never mind. It's not all-time high yet. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna highlight this one as well, because you know, you never know. I might even want to see price go back up there. 1.2. It's not a bad idea actually, but do I really want to risk it for the biscuit? Because if it goes up there to 876, I took a long position on NQ to 876, yeah, 75.75 actually. And let's see if it wants to go. It's technically not even a proper 1-to-1 risk reward ratio trade, but since there's an order block on the 5-minute and it might want to break that level, actually the high of this, no, not on the 5-minute, sorry, could be on the 15, no, on the 1 hour, man. Okay, and the high of the order block is, let's see, open is 79.75. Of this candle. Okay. All right. So my entry is at 24.50. Seems like this is where it wants to go. It's on a funded account, that's for sure. Okay, so 1 hour supply zone up there. Actually, I could go a little bit higher, but I'm okay with that 75 area. We'll see. Are you saying... No, it's on purpose. Oh yeah, exactly. Whatever. Let's see. Let's see. Where's the... Oh, here it is. So here's the trade. Interesting that the mid-level is right at that high, at that swing high. Okay. Now it's going back at me. Okay. Picking up liquidity from this gap. Unfortunately, it does not look good for me. Added one more micro. Oh man, it's not good. It's not good. The entry is not good. I messed it up. You won't judge, all right. Rejection on the 15-minute. Oh man, I'm offside here. I might be. This was down there. First fair value gap is here. Unfortunately, seems like it wants to go through it, which it did. Technically. So let's see. All right. So here's the trade. It's not looking that good. Not for now. So the target is basically the mid-level of a 1 hour supply zone, which is interestingly a Friday high. Actually, I can make this more accurate. Let's see. High 27.25. All right, yeah, I think that's the drawn liquidity. Low-hanging fruit would be before entering the zone. If it fails, it's fine. Then I'm gonna be looking at that demand zone down there. That's the plan for now. If it would trade higher than that 47.50, I think it would be a good idea to move the stop into this swing point. Until then, it could be a little bit tricky. Oh no, come on. Obviously, we still have time until the silver bullet hour, but I was really hoping that it will wants to push it. Anyway, this is what we have right now. And obviously, there are some secret weapons that we can use to help us out. For example, Arnie.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
So maybe that will help us. I don't know. Come on, just pump it there. Let's see. It's time to pump it up. Yeah, Jonathan, hopefully. Hopefully, if it's not going, it's fine. But, you know, it kind of would be looking great, especially if ES wants to go for that order block on the all-time high. And if NQ wants to make new all-time highs, like it would be lining up perfectly. But it seems like the buyers are just not strong enough here. Unfortunate, though. But, yeah, what can I do? It's unfortunate. Yeah, no news. Only thing we left is pure price action, you know. Not really the market that I was looking for. Anyway. Oh yeah, the pump song. I just had that. Look at that. It's here.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
Oh, look at that. It might be helping.
Your muscles get a really tight feeling. Like your skin is going to explode any minute. You know, it's really tight. It's like somebody blowing air into your muscle. It's just
Come on, Arnie. You gotta believe.
It feels different. It feels fantastic. The pump is different.
The pump.
Is fantastic.
Oh, come on.
The pump is different. The pump is fantastic. It's as satisfying for me as coming is. You know, as having sex with a woman coming.
Oh my god.
So can you believe how much?
Okay, this song is just too crazy right now. It seems like it's not helping so far, so. And or pump it up. Oh, I can't play that because of copyright, because this song that does not have copyright. But the other one would be having the pump. If it would trade higher, then I would move my stop a little bit. So, I don't know. I don't like this. What is gold doing? Gold going higher. Oh man. This NQ trade is just not doing it. It's just not going for it. I have to cut this. I'm gonna cut this because I have no intention for this trade if it's just gonna wiggle around here. Yeah. Back to the first presentation gap. Technically, almost. Yeah, MyFundedFutures, I'm trying to go long here on NQ, going for that 1 hour order block up higher and to take that Friday swing high. But having an issue. Hey, Nova, thank you. Doing great, man. Recharged over the weekend, so here we are. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe this is gonna be the Friday pump. We don't know. At least I moved my stops to lower the risk a little bit. Usually I don't do that, but it's okay right now because it's a difficult area. Let's wait and see. Okay, something is happening. That's good. Would be great to push it up there. Oh, come on. Anyway, we still have 10 minutes and this is the macro, if there is a macro. So we gotta wait and see what the next hour will bring. Okay, still here. Hey, Adab from Indonesia. Wow. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us. How's your trading day so far? So far, it only brought you pain. Yeah, it's a painful market right now. Oh, wow. Look at this. Come on. We need that push. Yeah, it's boring. It's boring. It is. Come on, we need that. Well, the setup, I saw this setup, but you know, the target wasn't, I mean, actually I saw the target and the setup too. It was just not really the first move I was anticipating. So I had a plan for both the upside and the downside here, but you know, it was a tricky one. Well, we just have to wait. This morning's profit. Oh no. Basically deleted the profitable trades. Come on. What the heck happened? They deleted the profitable trades. That's not good. Why would they do that? Man. Is this gonna go? I hate to lose money, yeah. Yeah, that's also an explanation. Oh man. Gold is pushing it. This one had a pullback. Not good. Yeah, maybe that was the reason. Just a quick phone call. I'm sorry. Just a quick phone call.
session, I was struggling big time. I couldn't even get out of my own way. Then out of nowhere, this sensational feeling took over me, and I just couldn't stop winning. It was incredible. I was rock hard.
Stay relentless and unwavering in your pursuit. Like a rock that withstands the fiercest of storms. Like being the hardest of rocks, you can stand as a symbol of determination and resilience. In a world of challenges and obstacles, we remain unshakable as a rock, our essence unbreakable. Our merciless resolve is a testament to the human spirit. As rock hard as the mountains. Rock hard as the mountains. We are rock hard as the mountains. We are so rock hard right now as the mountains. I'm just sitting here, rock hard as the mountains. There's a unique power in that moment when you're rock hard in your gameplay, feeling the thrill of control and mastery that's incredibly satisfying. The sense of accomplishment when you're rock hard. When you're in the zone, it is a reminder of your potential to conquer challenges. This feeling is a testament to your dedication and skills. One that can drive you to push your limits and achieve greatness. Embrace these moments, for they represent the exhilaration of being in complete control.
All right, so sorry, that was an important phone call, but actually we nailed this trade. This was a beautiful trade. $324 with 3 micros. This was great. This was a good one. And look at how, oh my gosh, my TP was to the spot. Look at that. Wow. My TP was at 75.25 or something. Jesus. That's why I always take early TP. Wow. Interesting. I still believe that it should be going up there. What's going on with ES here? ES could be sweeping some lows. That's what I think. So ES could be sweeping these levels and could continue higher, and that's why NQ is pulling back. But if NQ is hold on, is going to be the first presentation gap. If NQ is closing below, not even this one, but below 796, then we might just see a further decline. Other than that, this is just a pullback. I still think that this has a potential to go up there. I'm just going to apply for a credit card chargeback. Yeah, that's the best thing you can do. Online safety, obviously. That's the best thing you can do. Yeah. ES will break this morning's low and then eventually reverse. Yeah, that's what I think too, Jay. Look at that. We have this morning's low. We have a London low as well. Quite interesting. Okay. Anyway, quick look on gold. I'm not taking a trade on gold. It still feels like it wants to break that 78 area. Not really sure. But the zone has still not been mitigated yet, so let's just see what's going to happen. What's going to come out from this one? Anyway, why I'm down 230 points? That might be the case, but I'm still kind of thinking that, you know, NQ is just so close into that point. Like 902 is just technically so close. I mean, even if ES makes a sweep, would be interesting to see NQ hit that level as a potential draw on liquidity. And let's see. Okay, so that should be 70. That should be 79. I entered another trade at 54 on a different account. Kind of curious. This would be a scalp trade, and this is not the same account. And I don't even have a stop loss on it yet, so I'm just going to have to put a stop somewhere. But this is just going to be a hard stop, but I might going to close it manually if it's not going. I want to see it go for that 79. I might close it. My finger is on the flat button here. If I don't like what I see, I'm just gonna close it. It's a heavy position, 10 micro, aka 1 mini. I don't like it so far. I mean, it's cool, but I thought that it wants to break into the zone. Oh man, come on. Just break into the zone. We need that. Oh, you're dealing with Apex, yeah. Yeah, that takes some time off, yeah. Let's see, 879. Actually, if I scroll to the left, the zone at 72, the zone high is at 901. I think it should go there. I think it should. I see no other possibility here. I was thinking, but okay, it's too late now. I was thinking to maybe close half of the position here. I messed it up. Maybe I close it. You know what? I'm just gonna put a sell limit there. Of course it's not going there. Okay, doesn't matter. Oh, dude, what's happening? Come on. Come on, man. Just spike up there. Oh, man. Okay. All right. All right, we had enough fun. I closed it at break even. I don't care if it goes, it's a scalp trade. I don't like scalping. It was great. But that's it. It was fun. Out at break even. Oh, look at that. Now it goes. I'm awake. Don't trust me, I'm awake. I was focusing too much here. Man, sideways action. Sideways action. Yes, long lowing. Swing target 65.20. Oh yeah, it is accumulation, by the way. If you zoom out on the 5 minute, it clearly looks like accumulation. And that's why this NQ was messing around with me here. But I'm not gonna re-enter. I think NQ will go into 79. It just has to go back into the zone. I mean, at least to tag the zone once, at least. Even if it turns down and tries to drop after that, at least to tag. this area. I'd like to see that, but no, it's not doing it. Why not? Funded Day Trader, what's up? You're on tilt? Come on, man. Oh, man. Careful, careful. Exactly, online safety. I would say Monday action. Yeah, typical maybe. But anyway, whatever it does, I love to see this tag the 879, at least to know if the analysis was correct. I want to know it. Broken every... Oh, no. Funded Trade Trader, come on. Hey, you know, it's still Monday. You can always, you know, you still have time to make it back. There's still time. There is still time. Okay. I'm almost saved myself trying to get out of the drawdown. Well, I guess, you know, oversizing the position was the issue. 2 macro rule during New York. I guess you're doing 40. Oh no. Oh no, Funded Day Trader. Come on. 10-15 and still not a single signal for me. Yeah. Francisco, there are days like this, and it's normal. So I guess I was also a little bit lucky at this point. So if at this point the market's just going to take the elevator down, I was lucky to have my TP at 75.25. But I still feel like it should be tagging the zone. If it's going to tag the zone, then it was not just pure luck. But Francisco, if there's no signal, actually that's the good thing. Actually, that's good news. If you don't have a signal, that's good news, right? You're not forced to push it. And you can just sit back, relax, and you don't have to worry about it. Just one day, yeah. Yeah, tomorrow should be better, by the way. Tomorrow should be better. Exactly. I'm gonna have to check the TRADEIFY discounts currently. It's 30% off. Okay. Oh man, I think I made the right decision to close this scalp here. But now, are we going back down to the first presentation gap? I don't know. Kind of weird to really think about it. There's no fair value gap here. On the 15-minute, there is one. So we have a liquidity area right here. Possible sell side liquidity. Okay, so that's a 15-minute BC. right there. First fair value gap, 15-minute BC. Okay, pretty much feels like it just wants to go to 14 to pick up some liquidity. Hey, Jonathan, no TPT giveaway yet, still no email. But I just sent them another message. Look at that, 17 points. I've sent them another message. It's just too close. I think it wants to go lower. It's very close. To that 14 level. Let's wait and see. Entered on a short at 8:30, trying to scalp it to 17.50. Here's it. Oh man. Why didn't you pick up the liquidity from the fair value gap? Oh. What? Okay. Nice. Nice little scalp there. So it should be picking up liquidity from 14. There you go. Okay. This was a nice scalp. It was $250 net profit. That's good. That's kind of cool. I wonder if this one is going to go through the first presentation gap or not. I don't know. Just kind of curious. Am I nervous? No. Absolutely not. No, it's cool. I'm in short since 865. 865? Dude, that's amazing. 865. You got it right here. You know, I'm actually thinking if this one would hold this area with the first fair value gap, there might be another chance for it to go to that 875 here. 75, come on. 879. That 879, or back to the zone even, up to the 900s. ES swept this low. There might be another leg down to sweep this one as well. We'll see, I guess. I'm the Iceman. Polar bear. There's many reasons why they call me polar bear. Still in with 20% of your position. Nice. Good job. I'm Iceman from Top Gun. Okay. Let's wait and see of what's going to happen here. You know, the funny thing is that there's a zone here right at the low of this 15-minute BC, which is kind of interesting. I re-entered again to another short. On a different funded account. But I'm gonna have to be very careful with this. Too much scalping here on my end. This is not my final stop, but I might have to close it down. There's a zone on the 1 minute chart. A little bit lower right here. And it would be awesome to see this candle mitigating that zone. Picking up liquidity from this 1 minute gap. Obviously, I don't want to see it go too much higher. Too many scalping. All right, let's hear the confession. Still holding. I should have known that this confession is going to be something like this. I should have known. I should have known. So, just to prove my point here, like what am I really looking at is this one. This area down there. But only until it gets into this like 799, 798. If it wants to take some liquidity from that, because that's, by the way, also the bearish candle that was at the market open. Well, not too far after the market open. But I don't like this move. Oh yeah. Can't win them all, but I think this is just going to be one of those trades that I just can't go by. We have the new 5-minute candle. I have a feeling that it might want to spike higher. Unfortunate, but I just can't move my stop more wider. Yeah, opening range thingy could be the case. I didn't see him. I didn't see Roll today. I did not see him. Oh, by the way, let's put in some elevator music. I totally forgot. Oh, man. It's not good. This is not good. I really thought that this is just gonna try to close that gap down there, but it's not gonna. At least it repriced that 5-minute candle, but I think it's just pushing higher. Yeah. It is what it is. Not much we can do. And look at that. Now it goes back. This is like, wow. There is... And I gotta find another account that I can go with. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna have another setup here. What is currently the cheapest prop firm with coupon code? The cheapest upfront cost is Bulenox right now, but the activation fee is $148. But right now, I would go with MyFundedFutures. There's no other sales going on currently. Take Profit Trader is also a good choice, $102 with the discount and no activation fee. I think it's a great choice, by the way, in my opinion. So, you know, absolutely would go with it and try it. Jose Alvarez. Yes, it's going. Let's go, Zoltan. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, it's going. And just look at that. It wants to go back to that 17.9. Oh, I kind of feel like I want to scalp this. Can I scalp this? I think I can, right? Let's scalp it. Why not? Maybe it will try to break that previous high. I entered to a scalp for 10 points on the high here. All right, I closed it. I still made $147. That's good. I just don't have the nerves. Actually, I'm trying to create a narrative. Like, if it goes down here and picks up liquidity, what would be my first sign to properly go on to a long position? I guess this inversion gap would have been a good sign. So I mean, at the 1023 candle, I could have taken a long position, you know, picked up liquidity here, and then it goes higher. It has to go into the 79.75 area. To be honest, I think all the way up to the 900s, if this is the case. And the risk to reward ratio is still good, but you know. Hey Caleb, hey, welcome. It feels like it should be going into 79.75. You took the trade, come on, man. Of course you can. Up over 7K. Look at that. And we arrived to 79.75. So when I asked myself later, was my analysis correct? The answer is yes. The analysis was correct, but the road to get there was not that simple. Even though it provided two entries. One entry was actually here. And the next entry was actually from the inversion right there to get there. Med 419. I was like, you're for if you know, $419 is excellent. 20 contracts. Let's go. Zoltan, congratulations. Core funding, Pat reached 5 payouts up to. Does that mean they only allow some traders to withdraw max? Yes, you can only withdraw $1,000. Yes, minus the 20% profit split. So you can get $800 on one payout on a core funded account. So $800 is the maximum net profit that you can take out, or you can take out obviously less as well. I think 250 is the minimum. And yeah, 5 payouts, which means 5 times $800 is what you can get, and then there is no withdrawable cap. But hey, I'm happy with $800 from one single account with no pressure. I take the 800 anytime. Obviously, the goal is to make 7K like some of us do. That would be the goal. Look at this. Look at the high of this. Up to the 80s, and oh my gosh, one tick. This is not random. The zone has to work. This is just the way it works. And now it should be going there to 900, I think. Was deep into on taking 300 PNL. I like money. Of course I like money. Kirk. Hey D, what's up? Hey, good to see you. Where you kind of that? Hey Caleb, you survived. That's what matters, and you made, you know, you made it. I like charts. Exactly. 480 drawdown. That's still enough for tomorrow. I think for today you should be leaving that for now today, maybe. You know, just saying. I might be wrong, but yes, I have Apex accounts. Yes. Currently almost at my these are my, I have 1, 2, 3 are my Apex accounts. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Apex accounts. Almost at my 100. The 100 funded accounts. Yeah. Currently only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this morning, look at this. Take Profit Trader. Who's gonna have a payout tomorrow? Oh yeah, this was nice. I scaled to 1 micro. Oh, that's good. That's good. I only have 1 pro account yet. I'm still working on the others at Take Profit Trader, but I received my funded account at Funded Futures Network. I have a TRADEIFY account too, but I can't connect here. I do have the TRADEDAY accounts. I have 1 funded account at MyFundedFutures. So I'm still working on my other Eval. I told you guys August was very, well, not too good for me. Let's just say that. Look at that. It's still going to go. It still tries to go. Have you tried AlgoBox? I heard about it, by the way. I heard about AlgoBox. I was reading about it. I haven't tried it, but it sounds interesting. It really sounds interesting. I haven't really talked about anyone. I was kind of curious if anyone is having some sort of a success with AlgoBox. I know ICT hates it, but I heard about it. Yeah. Funded account, you guys vigorous, swing trade overnight, cash account, and day trade scalping. Oh yeah, that's also a strategy, and obviously less risk if you're swing trading. Less stress, I would say, right? Definitely less stress. What about gold? Gold is still kind of acting up funny here. You watch the stream. It's total crap. It's like a harmonic pattern system or something. I don't know, something like that. I was reading about it. Dots are golden. No payouts with funding ticks yet. No payouts with funding ticks. It would be great because trying to work on it. So obviously the goal is to get those payouts with funding ticks as well. Oh, look at that. You know why I think it's gonna go to 902? Because the 1 hour supply zone mid-level is just there at Friday high. That's why I think it should be going there. And it's kind of inverted again. Man, look at that. 20 points up there. It's gonna go. It could go. I'm just gonna stay on the sidelines and watch this. The guy was deleting the results during stream. Oh, that's not good. I heard about the what's he called? Vini Mini or something like that. Some comments were saying that something like that he's basically scamming everyone with it, but I don't know. That's why, I mean, I was reading about it, but I'm still kind of, I'm not searching like constantly, but I never heard anyone being consistently profitable with it. So that's why I don't know. It could be a good system. I don't know. I'm not sure. Not much is happening. You know, the difficult decision for one to make down here, if you're still, you know, going for the high here and you have a strong conviction that it's going to go up there, to take a trade on this first presentation gap or in this 15-minute busy down there. So there's multiple things you have to watch. And actually, I'm going to talk about this on my Funded TV, by the way. Because this would be a great example to talk about in my Funded TV. I think I'm going to do the analysis about this there, and it would be a great example how I'm doing the how I'm trying to read the narrative. Apex literally playing games. Yeah, best to leave them then. I mean, I'm gonna continue to trade with them, and I do see people getting payouts. So anyway, that is what it is. Look at that. It's gonna go for the 900. It's a contagious disease, yes. Analysis paralysis is something that we need to fight against, right? We need to fight against the analysis paralysis. Just gotta keep it simple, you know. Yes, it's, oh, the pump. Look at that. This 5 minute supply zone right there. Feels like it wants to go. Wow. And I'm really curious if we're gonna reach what is the mid-level? 903, by the way. But you know what? Yeah, 903, 903. If it gets to 903 or at least 902.50 here to the high, that means that, you know, I mean, every single feeling that I have right now is saying that we're gonna hit that 900 level. Doesn't matter what's gonna happen. It can do a pullback here still, but we're gonna hit that 900. If not, then I'm just gonna cut the stream as well. I'm gonna edit this one. Look at that. It's going. I'm telling you, it's going to go there. It's going to be a slow grind. It's going to be a slow grind. But it's going. All right, see you at MyFundedFutures 80. Thank you for dropping in. Actually, to be honest with you guys, I'm not really interested to take any other trade. So I'm also going to cut it because I do need to make some important calls here. And I think because I'm not going to put on any more trades, that's for sure. So I made some good profits in this morning session. I'm not going to give back anything. So there, I wanted to short gold, but I'm not going to short it. I still do think that NQ is going to go for that 900 level. And that's it, but I'm not going to jump in. So no more trades for me right now. I know it's a bit of a short session right now, but really, I don't see anything. Okay. I'm going to make up the time maybe tomorrow, and I'm going to do a longer stream, maybe start earlier or something. So thank you everybody for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. So if you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO for all these prop firms. It works everywhere, even with TRADEIFY now. So every time, if you really want to support or consider it, thank you so much. This would be it. Look at that, it's going for 900. God bless you all, and I'll be at MyFunded TV. And tomorrow, London and New York. Tomorrow, I'm going to do a little bit more in New York. Okay, this was a little bit of a short session, but there's really nothing to do here. I'm not interested to do anything with this, all right? So God bless and see you guys at MyFunded TV. Cheers.